Today I am bringing you the ultimate masterclass, every essential shortcut in BeamNG Drive that you need to know right now. I've organized these into simple categories so you can memorize exactly what you need. Hit that subscribe button and let's jump straight in. Category 1, Essential Vehicle Controls. Let's start with the basics. You know the arrow keys handle your throttle, braking, and steering, but what about the rest of the car? Spacebar, hold this for your parking brake. Perfect for drifting. P toggles the parking brake on permanently so you don't roll away on a hill. V turns your engine ignition on or off. Z and X shift down and shift up. Q toggles your gearbox mode. Press this to cycle between arcade manual and manual with auto clutch. N cycles your headlights through low beams, high beams, and off. Alt plus N toggles your fog lights if your car has them. Comma and period, your left and right turn signals. / turns on your hazard lights. L toggles couplers. This is crucial if you are backing up a truck to attach a trailer, just line it up and hit L. Category 2, Camera Controls and Free Cam. BeamNG has a beautiful damage model and you need the right camera angles to appreciate it. C cycles through all your available camera modes. Numbers 1 through 7 instantly jump to specific cameras. 1 is orbit, 2 is driver or first person, 4 is the cinematic external view, and 6 is the chase camera. Shift plus C toggles free camera mode. This untethers your camera from the car entirely. WASD moves the free camera around the map. Shift plus WASD speeds up your free camera movement. Page up and page down moves the free camera straight up or down. F8 teleports the camera directly to wherever your car currently is. F7, the magic button. This drops your vehicle instantly to exactly where your free camera is looking. Great for resetting on top of a massive cliff. Category 3, Physics and Time Manipulation. This is where the magic of BeamNG really shines. Playing with time and physics is why we love this game. J pauses and resumes physics. Your camera can still move, but the simulation stops entirely. Alt plus down arrow enters slow motion. You can keep pressing this to slow the game down by 2, 4, 8, 16, or even 100 times. Alt plus up arrow instantly brings time back to normal speed. Control plus left mouse click, the node grabber. Hold control, click on any part of a car and pull. You can rip doors off, bend frames, or flip a rolled car back on its wheels. Insert or I recovers your vehicle back to its starting point. R respawns your vehicle and resets the current scenario or damage. Category 4, UI and menus. Navigating the garage and the world efficiently is key to keeping the gameplay flowing. Tab switches your control to the next vehicle on the map. Escape brings up the main radial menu and options. Control plus E instantly opens the vehicle selector so you can spawn a new ride. Control plus W instantly opens the vehicle parts menu. Use this to quickly swap engines, tires, or remove body panels. Alt plus U hides the entire user interface. This is an absolute must if you are trying to record clean gameplay footage without a speedometer on the screen. Category 5, Cinematics and Screenshots. Want to show off that perfect crash? You need the screenshot hotkeys. Control plus P takes a standard high-quality screenshot. Alt plus P takes a super screenshot. This renders the image at 4 times your current resolution for incredible detail. Just a warning, your game might freeze for a second while it processes. Alt plus O takes a screenshot and uploads it directly to the BeamNG media server, giving you a quick link to share with friends. Category 6, Developer and Debug Tools. For the modders and the hardcore players, these shortcuts give you under-the-hood access to the game engine. F11 opens the World Editor. This lets you modify maps, place objects, and create custom scenarios. Control plus Shift plus F opens the Advanced Metrics menu, letting you monitor your FPS, CPU usage, and physics rendering times. Control plus B and Control plus T toggles the skeleton and collision triangle debug views. It makes your car look like a wireframe, showing you exactly how the physics engine is calculating the damage. And there you have it, every shortcut you need to take absolute control over BeamNG Drive. Whether you're staging massive cinematic pileups, fine-tuning a custom build, or just trying to navigate the menus faster, these hotkeys are your best friend. If this video helped you out, be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment with your favorite vehicle to crash, and subscribe for more BeamNG content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.